Karibu sana mtazamaji na msikilizaji wa FM Show KE. Ni taarifa za kuhuzunisha ambazo tumezipokea kuhusiana na moja kati ya wacheshi katika jamii ya Kikuyu akitambulikana na wengi kama MC Muthee Njagathi, akiwa tu ndiye ambapo siku yake kubwa ilikuwa inakaribia, akisherekea miaka 12 tokea alipoanza ucheshi na kazi yake kama presenter na pia kama mwigizaji katika comedy industry. Hapo jana taarifa zikagonga vyombo vya habari, Muthee Njagathi hayupo tena. The late Peter Mwangi alias Muthee Njagathi, Kikuyu vernacular media and entertainment industry has been drawn into mourning following the sudden death of the radio presenter. Radio Maria Kenya presenter Peter Maina Mwangi, popularly known as Muthee Njagathi, died on Saturday. The sad news about his demise was revealed by Kameme TV presenter and famous YouTuber MC Ngugi wa Karaja. Apart from being a presenter at Radio Maria, which is owned by the Catholic Church in Murang'a, Muthee Njagathi was also a comedian and an upcoming gospel musician. The deceased was set to launch a new song, Kaba Mwena Wagai, next Sunday, which is on June 2nd, and had invited big names in the entertainment industry to his event. Another dark Saturday. It is very sad evening to receive sad news of the sudden death of Radio Maria Kenya presenter Muthee Njagathi. He was a young man, hardworking, talented man, was planning to launch his new VCD coming a Sunday day too. I had an opportunity to work with him at Radio Maria Kenya Murang'a, said. That is Ngugi wa Karanja. My sincere condolences to his wife, children, family and his fans, eulogized Karanja, who host Kibwanga Show on Kameme TV every Sunday night. Now, media personality as well as content creators also poured on social media to mourn and pass their condolences to Njagathi family. You introduced me to radio, broadcasting and film industry. You kept telling me to push. Death is cruel. Unachukua aje my colleague Mzee Njagathi? How can you die when we were preparing to launch your songs? It's not easy to say RIP, said Radio Maria presenter Prince Murunga. Yeah, Peter Wajoi Waderi to say it's just a week before your launch of the launch of your new song, Kaba Mwena Wagai, you are no more. May the soul of MC RIP, and may God give his immediate family peace and comfort during this time of sorrow. Tokiuge hatia uruko horo MC mwenzangu. Yeah, it's so sad knowing that his big day was just on the way. He was set to launch his song. He was set to celebrate the many years that he has been an MC, the many years that he has been doing great in the industry. But life is cruel and death is cruel too. Alipata kuiaga dunia hapo jana. Tunasema Mwenyezi Mungu ilaze roho yake mahala pema peponi. Tuungane katika video zetu zijazo. Hii ni FM Show KE.